But some bad news. And I opened this drawer because I knew the inverter was in here, and smoke starts coming out. We got Jessica cranking. We have been stuck in this hotel room waiting on our RV to get fixed. Apparently, when you get to the parking area, you have to do a little bit of sand dune hiking to get to the beach. Don't know if it's legal here or not, but it looks like they're ready for a nice little bonfire.
Rolling down the highway, sun setting low. Got the rig packed up, and we're ready to go. The open road's calling, can't let it wait. Adventure's in our blood, and we won't be late. McCards on the move, we are coming your way. Looking for a good boondocking place to stay. From mountain trails to a quiet desert base, we hike, we bike, but one wheel's all the way.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, this is what, day 15?
Yes.
Something like that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 15 days. We have been stuck in this hotel room waiting on our RV to get fixed.
I'm over it.
Yeah. So, Forest River guys has let us down, really. The one part we need is the controller that opens our slides, turns our hot water heater on, pretty much controls everything in the RV. You can only buy it from Forest River, even though it's a Lippard product, because it's specially designed for our camper. And so you can't go to Lippard and say, hey, I need this one. They sell it to Forest River, then Forest River sells it to us. Well, Lippard supposedly sent it to Forest River. They supposedly haven't got it yet. And they've been unresponsive of call after call after call. They just don't answer. They don't call back. They said they'd email us and let us know, but we still don't even know if it's been shipped yet. So we have just been extending our room. And,
day by day.
Yeah.
Or a couple days at a time.
With no clue how long we need to be here. If we would have known we were going to be here this long, we may have gotten an Airbnb or rented another camper and just continued our journey until we got ours back.
Right.
But we thought it was just going to be a few days waiting on parts.
Weeks.
Yeah.
Upon weeks. And just the unresponsiveness is really, really getting to me.
Yeah, it's getting old. But anyway, so we're waiting on parts. It's the weekend now. Jessica's not working. So we're going to make the best of it.
Yes.
We're going to head over to the coast, check out the Oregon coast, see how it differs from the California coast.
I'm thinking it's probably a lot of the same, but
it's better than sitting in a hotel room.
Absolutely. I want to go over there and check it out, see what's in that area, and maybe walk out on the jetty and things like that. Just explore a different area.
We'll take you guys along with us and show you around.
All right. See ya.
Well, we've made it over to the coast. It's Lane County Parks. I think it's the Siska. I don't know how the heck you say it. Anyway, apparently when you get to the parking area, you have to do a little bit of sand dune hiking to get to the beach. I'm anxious to see what the beach looks like when we get over there, but check it out. You got to hike over there through this. What do you think, babe? You ready to do some sand dunes?
Oh, yes. I love it. Love doing the sand dunes. I hear a horn.
Yeah, I definitely hear a horn out there, but I was looking at this driftwood. All these pieces of driftwood all up in this little dune
whatever
spot.
This is.
Kind of neat. The Suslaw Jetty Project. So apparently, this is the jetty coming in right here, where all the boats go in and out, and then the beach will be over there. So there's a little easier way to get over here than going through the dunes, but you know, we like to keep it fun.
Yeah, why would we want to go the easy way?
No, that's too much. That's too simple. It is a pretty beach. Lots of driftwood. You see people are piling it up over there, maybe for a bonfire or something later. I don't know.
I know. You always see that in movies where they have like big parties on the beach with bonfires and stuff. And I've always been like, on what beach are you building a bonfire? Because none of our beaches.
Yeah, we don't get this driftwood in Florida. There's nothing there. But here,
even if we had, like, I don't even think they allow fires, like contained fires on the beach.
Maybe not. I don't know.
So,
but
it's different.
I don't know if they allow it here or not, but you definitely see a lot of wood, so you could.
Oh yeah, for sure. Have a hell of a party.
Yeah. So we got all this driftwood and the beach going through here, which is pretty cool. And then we got a boat coming in.
A big old
ship coming in right here.
Cargo ship.
So
thing.
when it gets a little closer, I'll get it for you guys. So it's an Army Corps boat. We believe it might be a dredge, and he's dredging it out there so that all the boats can get it in and out safely.
Guess so. I just am baffled by the number of people that played chicken crisscrossing in front of him.
They were crisscrossing a lot. Not sure if y'all can see it, but there's lots of little jellyfish in the surf here. Another one over here. It's pretty, but this water's cold. It's about 50 degrees. Don't know if it's legal here or not, but it looks like they're ready for a nice little bonfire.
Did you bring the marshmallows and chocolate?
Of course.
Oh, look at the sailboat. Oh, sorry.
Squirrel.
Maybe.
Ooh, we got hungry walking down the beach, so Jessica found this barbecue place, which turns out to actually be a campground. So take a look.
A marina.
You've got the marina campground. You got a few spots right here along this lake. And then there's more spots up above the lake. And here's the little barbecue joint at Darling's Marina. I'm going to check it out, see how good it is. Got us our little table. Got some jars to drink out of here.
Cheers.
Cheers. We ordered the brisket sandwich, so
yeah,
see how it is.
I'm excited. I was debating. There's a brisket burger that's more just like the brisket, but with like sauteed onions and mushrooms and Swiss cheese. I came this close to getting that, but
I'm surprised you didn't. You love your mushroom and cheese. And
I do. That. Should I go change my order?
I mean, it's probably not too late. She's putting it in right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Fake news. She got up there and realized it's a burger and not a brisket. So.
Yeah, so no, I'll stick with the brisket.
And then she gets back over here and hits her leg trying to sit down.
There's like, because it's like a picnic table style, and I hit my knee right there.
Yeah, you gotta watch it. Why is it always funny when someone else hurts themselves?
I don't know. It is though, and I laugh once I'm done going.
I laugh and then ask, "Are you okay?"
Look at the stove behind you.
That's old school right there. Check that out. That's like one of the first electric stoves / ovens.
Was it electric though? Because
yeah, it's electric. All right, so we got our sandwiches. I took my first bite. Brisket sandwich here. You got
I haven't
the same
put anything on mine yet.
I put a little bit of sweet sauce on it. The sweet sauce is good, but it's not like a Florida sweet sauce, southern sweet sauce like I'm used to. Got a little smoky taste to it.
Mm-hmm. It's Kansas City style.
Kansas City style. A little different than what we're used to, but not bad at all.
It's good even without sauce on it.
Yeah, for sure.
It's very good.
I'm part of the Clean Plate Club. She picked it hers, so she's not Clean Plate Club.
Listen, here, mister. I didn't want these last couple of little fries, and I wanted the meat, but not the edge of the bun.
I see meat on their plate.
Do
you guys see meat on their plate?
Fat.
Fat's not meat?
Not fat.
Anyway, pretty good. A little different than the barbecue that I'm used to. but it was still very good.
Very much better than that place we ate at the other day.
Yeah. I don't even remember where it was, but yeah.
Hole in the Wall in Eugene.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, hole in the wall. Don't go there.
No. This thing's pretty good. Mm-hmm. I like it. And it wasn't too expensive. Considering.
$30 for 2 sandwiches. I mean, West Coast, that's pretty typical.
Right.
So you got these sites right here with their little beachfront access, little sand pits, kind of cool. And you're right on the water. What a beautiful sight that would be. Just chilling out right next to the lake with the small little mountains there in the background. And we're only a few minutes from the actual beach too. So
right.
It's pretty cool. Well, got all of our stuff packed up in the back of the truck. We are hopefully moving back to our RV.
Doug needs to be more specific when he makes a wish for his birthday, though.
Yeah. We're going back to it. We're supposed to be able to move back into it, but it is still not ready. We're still waiting on the control panel. So when we move into it, we'll have some basics, but we're probably won't have hot water. We won't be able to operate the lights or anything like that, but we're going to be staying in the parking lot of the RV repair place. So at least it'll save us some money, because we've been spending a fortune on this hotel, and I just can't do it anymore. We've been there 3 weeks, and enough is enough.
And this week the price of that hotel doubled because of a special event going on in the area. So
yeah, so just can't be doing that, and we didn't want to change hotels, and Lance was nice enough to let us stay on property, so at least we'll be back in our RV, even though it's not on the adventures that we want to be on.
Right. So shout out to RV country for at least making it where we can move back in.
Yeah, and a big dump down to Forest River for the lack of communication. And if they would have told us from the beginning it was going to take 3 weeks plus to get the part, we could have made other plans.
Yeah, I would have liked to have seen something other than Eugene, Oregon. It's okay, but it's not someplace that was on my list of destination cities.
Yeah, if we would have known we were going to be here for 3 weeks instead of staying in the hotel, we could have just hit the road and went out and explored in the truck, and picked up a random hotel here and there, and then come back when the RV was ready. But now they're saying August 4th. It's the 29th of July, so hopefully, fingers crossed.
Hopefully we're on the road August 4th or 5th, because we got to probably give them time to get it and then put it in. So it'll probably be August 5th before we're on the road again. But
hopefully one day next week we'll be back heading towards Washington.
Yes.
Yep. When I get over to the RV, I'll show you around kind of the progress that's been made, and we'll go from there. All right, we're here. Let me show you what they've done so far. We've got the new inverter in right there, and a little screen that's going to be there. And then we got our new refrigerator here. They put a Furrion in. And it is cold, so we're ready for our groceries. That's good.
Start bringing those in.
And then you see he's got the panels off because they were working on it here. Yeah, I'll fix that. Got that box back in. He just put this back on the wall. We still got to figure out what we're going to do with this hole. But this is what we're waiting on right here. With this, then we'll be able to do everything we need to do. So hopefully that part didn't burn out when the screen burned out. Otherwise, we'll have a whole nother issue. Jessica's found her spot in the pool here. Just chilling. We bought these new little floats. We didn't realize you'd sink that deep into the water with them. But hey, it's nice. The water temperature's great. Got the flow of the waterfall. Little cliff diving spot.
And apparently over there you can do more.
Yep. I'll take you guys over there and show you the slide. We get over here. And you've got the natural water slide. Pretty cool. Here we go. We got one going. Whee! It gets going fast, right? When you get about there, bounce off the rock, down to the pool. We are still stuck in the parking lot of RV country.
We're here.
We've made it to Tillamook.